Hi and Merry Christmas! This video is going to be a little bit different than what I normally do. We at Sullivan J Photography want to wish you a happy holiday season, and we want to thank you for being part of our family. Connecting with macro, landscape, and nature photographers gives us so much pleasure. To be able to share our videos, tips, and tutorials to you to really help you with your creativity, and also for you to monetize your work, because you can do this. And want to know why I know you can? Because you're me. So thank you for trusting the tips and tools that I give you. And we really do hope that you have a great time celebrating no matter what you celebrate during the holiday season. It's really exciting for us to be able to connect to you. So always feel free to comment down below. And we'll probably make a video just for you. And always remember that your 1,000 words does make a difference. And because of that, we've started our 12 Days of Christmas, where you could win prizes and discounts to move you closer to your goal sets without you doing it alone. So check out the links down below if you're interested, and look out for new videos just for you every Thursday. If you're interested in monetizing your photography, because you know why? Because you're valued. Yes. Bye.